Media language. A way of constructing meaning in media text to communicate ideas and impression for an audience. Technical codes include camera angles, sound, and lighting, how technology is used to create meaning. Symbolic codes include the language, dress, and actions of characters, mise en scène. This is how the media communicates. There are different types of media languages, which include written, verbal, nonverbal, visual, and oral. In order to achieve the highest grade possible, it is vital that the students learn to use the vocabulary and media lexicon. Semiotics are the signs and symbols that the literal and potential meaning. There are two different identified orders of signification: denotation and connotation. Denotation is a literal, obvious meaning, description of what is physically seen or heard. Connotation is a potential or suggested meaning. Nonverbal in media areas such as television, radio, and film, how the language is delivered and its context are used are important factors in the way meaning is generated for the audience. This in terms of body language, gestures, and actions, the meaning received by the audience, what is seen through how the actor uses their body. Visual language, what on the screen has been chosen specific to generate a series of effects and meanings. Specific camera angles, movements are chosen to tell the story and meaning of that scene. Theorists: Roland Barthes, Karl Marx, Levi Strauss, Abraham Maslow, Vladimir Propp, Svetlana Todorov, and Laura Mulvey. Roland Barthes talked about the order of signification with a chain of concepts widely accepted throughout culture and used to understand an experience. Maslow talked about the hierarchy of needs, whilst Laura Mulvey attacked the dominant system of film presents a certain type of pleasure, arguing that the narrative of the film creates images of women which are used for the gratification of men. Svetlana Todorov argued that the narrative begins with a state of equilibrium. There is a harmony and balance between the characters and their environment situation. Then comes a form of disruption, and then, in the end, a new equilibrium is reached. Vladimir Propp talked about folk tales as the basis of 32 character types, of all whom perform some kind of function in the way narrative is organized. Media. This is some media terminology, which may come in handy for essays.